Before we begin, let us seek the blessings of the Almighty for strength, wisdom and kindness. Please everyone stand for the morning prayer.
Yes, with sight.
Confidence helps us face challenges. Competence helps us succeed. And caring helps us help others along the way. Remember, true success is when we grow and help others grow too. I invite Ahan, Mehul, Rachin and Rudra to share today's news.
Everyone, today's national news is Jharkhand man goes missing in Saudi Arabia after texting family. 70 Brahmins booked in Darbhanga. Bihar ministers warns against misuse of SC/ST Act.
Today's international news is Japanese people brave show to vote in snap election. Trump aims to hold first meeting of new board of peace in Washington. Later in February, as of 2026, India has solidified its position as the world's third most AI competitive nation. Today's sports news is in T20 Cricket World Cup, New Zealand beat Afghanistan by 5 wickets. In Tennis Davis Cup tournament, India's D. Suresh won his match against Netherlands' De Jong. Today's weather report is maximum temperature is 90 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Cloudy conditions will continue all day. Thank you.
Updates. Being aware of the world around us makes us competent global citizens. Now, let's watch our friends as they bring this idea to life on stage.
English, but I'm scared.
Mistakes are okay. Try.
Good morning, teacher. Today I learned the word confidence.
Excellent. English helps us express ourselves confidently. English gives us confidence.
The shopkeeper gave me extra change.
Let's count again.
Yes, I got 10
10 rupees extra.
Math makes us competent problem solvers. Competence comes from understanding and practicing. Math makes us competent thinkers. I didn't know it was wrong. EVS teaches us to care for our environment. I will use the dustbin next time. We care for our environment.
All day.
Computers are for learning too.
I will make a presentation instead.
Great. Technology teaches us to be competent and responsible.
We are smart and responsible digital learners.
A happy classroom. Why? Because art helps me express my feelings. Art helps us express ourselves. Match. That's okay. We played our best.
Let's practice more and support our team.
We play fair and care about our team.
I am competent because I practice daily. I am caring because I help my friends. Thank you.
Confident gives us the skill to succeed, and being confident gives us the courage to try. Caring reminds us to lift others as we grow. When we combine these three qualities together, we don't just become better students or individuals, we become better human beings. Let us move forward with this knowledge in our minds, belief in our hearts, and kindness in our actions. Thank you.
Our respected Steshna ma'am.